how to find about all of the upcoming journeys in your IRCTC Rail Connect application. So hey guys, if you also want to find about the details of all the upcoming journeys that you have already booked within the IRCTC application, then let me show you how you can check them out using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your IRCTC Rail Connect application. And once you will tap onto the app icon, you will be landed onto a page like this. Now in this page, simply click onto this login button at the top right. Once you will do that, based upon your authentication type, you can either choose to enter your 4-digit login pin or simply tap onto your fingerprint sensor if biometric authentication is enabled. Then after logging in and the verification of the user, you will be logged in into your IRCTC Rail Connect application, and you will see this particular portal right here. Now in this particular portal, you need to click onto this train button, and once you will click onto this train button, you can see that again an alert is issued. You can click onto this OK button, and then you will have this particular page right here. Now in this page, you can see this option or this button that says upcoming journey. So simply click onto this upcoming journey button, and it will show you the details of all the upcoming journey. So as here you can see, in my case it is correctly showing all of the upcoming journeys that are planned and I have already booked. So that's how easily you can check out all the upcoming journeys for your IRCTC account using the IRCTC Rail Connect application. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.